Hi Sketch Lab friends, today we're going to draw a cute Bunny Rabbit Boba Tea. Let's get started. We're going to draw the lip of this cup, so we have a letter C and a backwards letter C. Now we're going to connect the top of those letter C's, and then we will connect the bottom. And look at that, we drew an oval for the lip of our cup. Now we're going to draw two lines down. They taper down, meaning they get closer together. I'm going to curve a line down for the bottom of the cup. What's this dude doing? Dancing with flowers in your hand. It must be springtime. The bunnies are happy this time of year. Let's draw that rainbow line that curves up. Let's draw the face. So we have a little dot for the eye, another dot for the other eye. And then we're going to add the little nose, curve a line down, and another little line down. Now the boba pearls. They're called pearls, by the way. Boba pearls. What's going on with the carrot? He looks like he needs to take a nap. So now we have our two little bunny rabbit ears, and we're ready for the straw. Yeah, bunnies love romaine lettuce. That's very good for you. Boom! That's it, guys! Congratulations! You just drew a Bunny Rabbit Boba Tea. Hey, good job, guys! Well, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!